Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Valentine's Day Happy Mail that I just got in the mail. And I started digging in through it and then I was like, maybe I should turn the camera on and film this because it's super cute. The way she had everything packaged up. And this was sent to me by my friend Stephanie. I will be having all her information linked down below so you guys can check out her Instagram and see all her creations. You guys know that I always want you guys to go check out my pen pals. So yeah, let's get on with showing you guys the goodies she sent me. She packaged everything up in this beautiful tissue paper that's like a baby pink with some gold hearts. This little cluster with the ribbon and the little gold. I love it so much, so cute. And then you guys, she sent me the cutest, most like chunky tag flip. Look at this yumminess, you guys. I'm gonna try to keep it like on the table and then like show it this way better so that I don't have to, just nothing falls out or anything like that. She also included this pink doily, which of course I will be saving and using on future projects. I save all my bits. But the first thing I see here are these cute little charms, and this is one that says love. You guys can see that. Then there's this little tube with some pink sequins, little heart ribbon, and then there's also like a little keychain with some charms. Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. This little puffy gold tassel. And then let's see, the first page looks like this. I love all the decor that she did. I love it. I love clusters. They make me happy. We have this little bag here filled with a bunch of little ephemera pieces. I'm not going to open it all up because I haven't taken pictures, so I'm just going to go through it with you guys. Look at this one, how cute. I love this little mini envelope. I love the color, so cute. Then she filled this little pocket up with a bunch of goodies. There's tags, there's little cut aparts, this cute little tassel she made out of crepe paper, some frames. I love me some frames. This is gorgeous. In here we have a little packet of some little mini tags, and they're stitched all around. So cute. And we have this one with the two little hearts. There's this cute little pin. It's plastic. I have some like this, but not like this size. That's super cute. You guys, I know I say cute too much, but this stuff is cute. There is no other word. If you guys know another word, leave it down below, and I promise I'll use it on my next video. And there's probably some goodies in here, but I'm not gonna take them out. But look at this little bag. I love treat bags. And we have this one. She sent some of that pretty like confetti with the tissue paper. We have a little like a Project Life card that says this was good. Loving the colors. We have a pink little doily. This one says best friends are the best therapy. And we have another little pocket with a cute little card. That's probably my note. I'll read that off camera. And then she made another little pocket with some more goodies. You guys, she stuffed this up. I hope that I have been in focus this whole time. Oh, you guys, look at this. It's a cute little card and it says lovely. And the little clip with the little rosette. She even included this cute little bag with little puffy hearts, little pinwheels. We have this little page. Oh my god, how cute are these? Little felt faces. We got little envelopes with the little faces on the hearts. So cute. She made me some bows. I love this. So beautiful. And you guys, look how chunky this is. Like, doesn't this look so yummy? I love this so much. And that's not it, you guys. She totally spoiled me. She sent this over as well. And it's one of those felt hearts, I think from excuse me, from Target. You guys, look, it's filled with like a bunch of crinkle paper. She even sent like a little bag. How cute is that? She sent some chocolates. She sent me a pair of socks. I love socks. Look at all the crinkle paper. So cute. So much time and detail. I appreciate that so much. And then in here, she just added some goodies. She added an extra tube. Thank you. A cute little pink clip. Some little note cards, a little notebook. And then like a little heart with some clips inside. Oh, this is so fun. But you guys, that's not it. I'm telling you, she totally spoiled me. Let me bring that over here. She gave me these handmade embellishments. She sent me 2 packs of these little goodie bags. These goodie bags, I love this, like the basket weave. Some cute little monkey stickers. Look at this, you guys, look at the ice cream sandwiches. These stickers. These stickers. There's more, you guys. Look at these big ice creams. How cute is this? And then lastly, these 2. You guys, she totally spoiled me. So amazing. This package is unbelievable. Thank you so much, Stephanie, if you're watching. I can't wait for you to get your mail. And yeah, you guys, that is my video for today, sharing some happy mail with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload videos. And yeah, that's it. Bye.